Let's learn about farm animals with ABC. A is for alpaca. Alpacas have wool so fine and neat, in the mountains they're a sight so sweet. B is for beef cattle. Beef cattle's strength in herds so grand sustains the farms, feeds the land. C is for chicken. Chickens peck, and in the coop they lay eggs for our breakfast every day. D is for duck. Ducks waddle, and in ponds they play, laying eggs in a hidden place away. E is for emu. In Australia's sun they stand so proud, their calls are soft yet sound so loud. F is for fox. Fox in the field, sleek and sly, under the moon, quietly they pry. G is for goat. Goats climb hills with ease and grace, their milk and cheese fill up our plate. H is for horse. Horses gallop, horses trot, on farms they work a lot. I is for Indian runner duck. Indian runner ducks, tall and sleek, for bugs and snails they eagerly seek. J is for Jersey cow. Jersey cows with eyes so brown give creamy milk in every town. K is for Kunekune pig. Grazing grass under the sun, Kunekune pigs have all the fun. L is for lamb. Lambs in the field, under the farmer's care, grow strong and healthy in the fresh air. M is for mouse. In the barn, a mouse sneaks in, searching grain with a tiny grin. N is for Nubian goat. Nubian goats with ears so long, on the farm they sing their song. O is for ox. In the field the oxen toil, plowing soil for springtime's spoil. P is for pig. Pigs at the trough eating with delight, on the farm they're a common sight. Q is for quail. In the field, quails peck and roam, finding seeds, the farm's their home. R is for rabbit. Grazing on carrots, lettuce, and beet, rabbits make the farmyard complete. S is for sheep. Sheep's wool grows thick and neat. At the farm, it's a warm, soft treat. T is for turkey. In the barnyard, turkeys gobble. With each step, they wobble and hobble. U is for upland goose. Upland geese, in fields they roam, in wild flocks or farmstead home. V is for Vendine sheep. Among the flock, Vendines stand tall, with wool that's prized, they grace the stall. W is for Welsh pig. With coats so coarse and ears upright, Welsh pigs on the farm are a joyful sight. X is for Silingol horse. On the steppe where eagles soar, Silingol horses gallop and explore. I is for yak. By the yak the farm is blessed, providing wool, milk, and all the rest. Z is for zebu. With their large ears flapping away, zebus cool themselves in the heat of day.
Like, my channel.